Previously on Technocratic.
Today I am going to take you on a journey to test 3 GPT-3 product-based demos. Let's get down to it. This is a completely different animal. Make Technocratic great again. I'm sorry, I did not understand that, but I'm happy to tell you more about Quick Chat. Hi everyone, my name is Sandra, welcome to my channel. Finally, we are going to test platform Copy.ai for copywriters or anybody that wants to create a good copy. By the way, if you happen to like the type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button and you will get notified about new releases of the videos. Let's start. As you can see guys, you can have a free trial. So I do really encourage you to test it out. Okay, so we log in with Google or Facebook. Copy.ai has quite some functionalities. I think it's the most elaborate product that we have seen so far. Pain agitate solution, copy for identifying the pain points, agitating the problem, showcasing your solution. So that's kind of perfect pitch deck. Copy, growth ideas. Describe your product and we will help you find unique ways to grow your customer base. Cool! This is not only a copy, but actually generating solutions to grow. I'm definitely going to test that one. Product descriptions, copy for Facebook, for Google, Instagram, email. Ooh, Instagram caption creating vibes. I'm going to test that one too. Blog ideas. Nice. Blog intro. Startup ideas. Let's start with growth ideas. Again, for the purpose of testing Copy.ai, I am going to use my channel. Copy asks you for input, which is name of your brand or product, Technocratic, and then description of the product. So I'm using this standard sentence that I've used before. Technocratic is a YouTube channel dedicated to the discussion of tech trends, in particular AI. Let's see what it can create out of that. And here we go. It generated lots of different types of growth ideas, so let's see them one by one. Select a limited number of social media channels and use paid advertising to drive interested consumers back to Technocratic. I don't think that would work. Encourage users to forward a video link to their friends. The user will receive a notification once their friend watches the video, and this gratification will encourage the user to create more viral route to grow. Make a custom AI video chat program. The user would use the program test dependent purchase on their YouTube channel. So as you can see, there is one random input. It's not even a full-blown idea, so a little bit of an error here. Build a platform that enables people to share their favorite and most interesting talk with friends via email and social media. I don't see the point of building such a platform. I'm not sure that AI understands that this is a YouTube channel that we are talking about. Overall, I think this trial is not the best one. I think it might be that there is too little information, and I'm gonna add right now one more sentence. Hopefully that will help. What I really wanted to understand is that the main purpose of the channel is to create videos, create content. Let's add weekly videos on the latest AI trends. Okay, we have something new. Have a new video come out every week. A challenge is to not make it easy to rewatch videos. A challenge is to not make it easy. Later, Technocratic can move into a more niche content type such as educational videos and interviews with experts. To do this, Technocratic should build up the YouTube channel's brand by asking other people for advice on what topic they are interested in. Then interview industry experts to be featured on the channel and build a network of guest speakers. I like especially the last one, to build a network of industry experts and other guests that I could talk to on my channel. I think it would work really nicely. Asking you guys for advice on the topics I do already, and I think it's a great way to get informed about what might be interesting. I think overall output is pretty chaotic. I mean, I don't think it's just like one paragraph. I think it's a couple of random sentences, ideas bundled together. Anyhow, I like it. Ask the viewer a question every video and have them respond to that question. Then the viewers who replied would be asked to reply direct to that comment on their videos. That way Technocratic would get more views from the replies and his videos would be more interactive. That's actually a really good idea. Okay, I think who is totally messed up here. So Technocratic is he sometimes or they. Asking viewers to comment on the videos is a well-known practice among YouTubers, and it proves to be successful because this way you are able to engage people with your content, and there is a lot of interaction on the channel, which is very good for making the YouTube algorithm recognize that. So that's why, guys, make sure to leave a comment and help me grow it. Next, get influencers to integrate advertising into their content. This can be done by placing QR codes and URLs when they can be easily seen by the camera while talking. These actions will link back to your website, triggering a growth loop for Technocratic. No website at the moment, so that's not for me. Use the something that makes people feel is valuable. People love a secret or something they can feel has a lot of value. This could be a downloadable PDF with a list of 12 concepts that are explained in 5 minutes each. I was thinking about preparing a free content for you guys, so I like this one, and I think it's smart and very suitable for growing YouTube channel. Let's improve this sentence though. What's very cool about Copy.ai is you can actually edit the output directly, which makes it easier. It could be outlining the future of artificial intelligence. The more valuable and exclusive you can make your material to your audience, the faster they will share it once they have it in hand. I think it's a really good one. Although, yeah, I don't know if I would use it for sharing. Maybe I would use it just to, I don't know, have you sign up on a newsletter list, for example, so I can keep you in the community and keep you informed. Grow a mailing list using a giveaway or to run ads to drive traffic to YouTube. Awesome! This is exactly what I'm talking about. So this is a very common practice again, that YouTubers prepare some kind of giveaway, like a PDF document that you can download, but you can give your email address, and that way you end up on their list and they can remind you of their existence. Remember about my existence? Hit that subscribe button so you get notification every time the video is released. Thank you. Use influencers. You may connect with YouTubers like AI with Dorian. AI with Dorian. Frankly, I don't know this channel. I don't know if it exists. I'm gonna check that. Even PewDiePie, who has 14.1 million followers. It's very cool that it actually gets to the essence of YouTube and can mention some influencers. Give them free access to your service in exchange for a shoutout. A shoutout is when you post a promotional video for another channel into your content and promote it as if you made the video yourself. Ooh, but going viral is not something that happens right away, so make sure to give yourself at least a couple of months before deciding whether or not it was worth doing at all. I think it's awesome. I mean, again, there are bits and pieces that don't make much sense to me. I guess it depends on the service, but if I'm not providing any service at the moment, probably PewDiePie will not give me a shout out. Although if that would have happened, that would be really nice. Santa Claus, please give me that. But other than that, of course, this is logical, right? That you use influencers for broadening your audience, and GPT-3 suggests to barter in this case. Well, maybe it's possible. What I do like is this advice at the very end, which is a common sense advice. Be patient, patience is gold, which I like a lot. And yeah, I'm actually surprised that it ended up here and it makes sense. So I'm gonna like it. Overlap influencers and existing networks. Reach out to micro-influencers and vloggers to reach your target audience through the power of association. Yes, that definitely works as well. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hearts this time. Much better outcome than the first one. I am quite impressed, to be honest, and I'm going to save these results because they are worth saving. Now let's try something different. Let's go to Instagram caption vibes. Nice, it automatically added the same text that I created initially, so I don't have to sweat. Now let's just create a copy and see how that turns out. Ooh, subscribe to Technocratic Trendcast for the latest on AI, robotics, blockchain, and other innovations shaping our future. I like these emojis, they are cute. A weekly video series about the latest trending and AI topics. AI is becoming integrated in our daily lives. Okay, what is cool about it is that it does use emojis, so it definitely plays by the rules of Instagram, which definitely is filled with emojis. Definitely the texts are short. I'm not sure I would use any of these so far. I think they're pretty off top. Here you can see again that AI won't react like a human end. It did end this sentence kind of randomly for whatever reason. Embrace the future. AI is set to become the biggest disruptor of technology and business in modern history. Yes, that's exactly why I'm having this channel. I'm gonna give it a heart. The best AI submissions, AI, I hear it's smart. So AI, what's your favorite number? What AI is really good at, the ability to think expansively while staying narrowly focused on what you need. Let's try another copy and see if we have better outcomes. If you remembered, last time we used copy on generating ideas, they got better and better with time. So hopefully this time it will be the same case. 5 reasons why the future will be ruled by AI. I like this one. Secured. No idea what that is. In this video, we talk about the AI technology and how it can be used in the day-to-day life. Exactly. Finally. Yes. Thank you. So it does understand that I want to promote the video that I am creating on another channel and use Instagram for promotion. So probably like show a snippet and then write something about it. Probably not the most sexy version of it ever created, but hey, it's a start. I think the form is exactly how I would have imagined it. Are we human? Are we robot? Are you a robot? Are we all robots in disguise? Are we? That's up for you to decide, but what is clear is that AI technology is now becoming more and more prevalent and conversational. Okay, I like it. Let's give it a heart. Don't miss out. Sign up for our newsletter to keep up on all things AI tech. Nice. It's more casual. Just enter your email in the box below. Your info will never be shared with third parties ever. Okay, cool. I mean, at least it's consistent. It's more casual language. And I like this emoji. I'm using this emoji quite a lot, actually. Quality AI content. No. Meet Max, AI's best friend. How far have we come? Are we really just a few years away from creating an artificially intelligent entity that can walk and talk like a human being? When AI learns what to listen to people do, it becomes not only our master, but also our foreseer, and the consequences could be drastic indeed. Looks like a passage from an essay book on AI. This try was much better. We have how many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna save these results and let's try something new. How about Facebook headlines? Shall we? Technocratic is the AI evolution. What? Technocratic AI technology, period. Artificial intelligence trends. The Technocrat. That's a good name for a newspaper, perhaps. Save it, remember, save it for later. AI channel on YouTube. Technological innovation. Staying ahead of the $100 Bitcoin for free. Okay, I love this one. Let's give it a heart. Alexa, play the next video. All right. I don't think that was a particularly successful try. Let's give it another shot. Technocratic, AI trends, podcasts covering technology. I don't think this will sell. Maybe I'm mistaken. Although I must admit that I am not using Facebook ads, so if you do and you think that would sell, do let us know in the comment section. But for now, I am assuming this is very raw output and I wouldn't use any of that. So not good. Let's move on. Blog ideas. Ooh, well, I'm not running a blog, but I'm running a YouTube channel and maybe it will be able to create some ideas for the episodes. Is it ideas for blog posts or for creating blogs? Let's see. Automatic facial recognition AI. Are we safe yet? A blog discussing the challenges of facial recognition AI systems. Nice. I like that one. Okay, so it's actually generating ideas for blogs to go on and set up a blog about a certain topic and then write many posts about it. Gotcha. Yeah, clarified. An AI coach to you and subscribe you to automatically play next episodes. A blog about computer-generated YouTube training videos. Cool. When I say cool, I'm thinking about being able to create a video about this particular subject, and I definitely see that happening. The future of employment. A blog discussing the future of AI and technology's impact on jobs. Awesome. What does AI even mean anyway? A blog about what AI really is and how it affects our daily lives. Lovely. Narrative article. A blog article around recent achievements with AI. Nice. 5 emerging uses and technologies for artificial intelligence. AI is becoming more developed. Is there a limit? Nice. Well, it's quite some nice shots here. I'm gonna save these results because I think this performed the best so far. Almost all of them I like and I think I could use somehow for brainstorming the ideas for the next episodes of the channel. Let's see what it can generate in the next round. AI trends in 2019 with a focus on chatbots. A blog about the latest AI trends. If it's AI related, we are there. If you need metrics to support your argument, we will provide them. I like that. Next, Google. A blog about what Google is doing to advance AI. Nice. Automated Alpha invest your money for you. A blog around automated investing and choices one has with their investments. Nice. How sex dolls are improving the lives of robotic engineers. A blog about sex dolls and how they are being used in robotics. Nice. How to become a data scientist. Provide tips on how to become a data scientist. Cool, I think there is also plenty of interest around that. The role of tech in education. A blog about how technology has and will change education. Technology is helping natural language generation. A short video about technology and natural language generation. Nice. Oh, these are really lovely. I think it's a spectacular job. I'm not going to bore you with more. If any of these strikes you as particularly interesting, let me know in the comment section down below and we can make it happen. Even the sex robots, yes, I can cover even that. It's actually super interesting what's going on there, and there's quite some progress apparently. But anyway, that's for another day. I think we got what we wanted. Copy.ai has lots of functionalities, which is really nice, and you can test it in many different conditions where GPT-3 performs very well. What's surprising though is that, based on my experience now, GPT-3 was much better at generating ideas rather than the perfect copy for a particular purpose. My favorite ones were the growth ideas and also the blog ideas. I think they were really, really decent, and I would definitely use it for brainstorming and thinking of how I can still broaden content of the channel while staying true to the core and how I can grow it. Copy.ai, I think you are the winner today. I would definitely use it. Please do check it out. It's 7 days trial. I'm not sponsored by Copy.ai at all. I'm just using it and I find it quite awesome. To sum it up, I think it was a very interesting experience. GPT-3 in products can behave differently. The biggest difference was between QuickChat that uses its own filters to take the GPT content that is out of the context away, whereas Dover is kind of a free ride with GPT-3, and Copy.ai also looks like kind of a free situation there. I am very impressed. I think these are all awesome tools, and big shout out to you guys for making it happen. Please continue to do it, and anyone here thinking about using it, use it and support the progress of AI. I think it's super cute. I mean, it's kind of clumsy at times, as you could see, and what's super nice is that it learns with time very quickly. It can be built in different ways and serve different purposes. I'm very happy with the outcome. I hope it was interesting for you. Leave a like if you liked the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be releasing another video next week. See you next time. Bye guys.